Hi there, my name is Joanne Rodriguez, and I will be discussing 3 items that I've found in my room that could be considered low-tech assistive technology. The first are sticky notes. These are definitely low-tech. They can be classified as a visual support, especially in activities of daily living and helping those with cognition and learning disabilities. It could be used for activity schedules where we can write like one activity on each sheet, and then we can move around the sticky notes based on whatever order that we want to do the activity in. It could also help for organizing ideas for assignments. A specific idea or topic can be placed on one, and you can create a web with these sticky notes. Next is a clipboard. It's low tech, and it can be categorized as an adaptation for writing. You can put a piece of paper on it, so if somebody may only have one arm available for writing, they won't have an extra arm to stabilize the paper, so the clipboard provides better control and stability of the paper. So it'll help individuals with writing difficulties. Last is a whiteboard. Similar to the sticky notes, it's also low tech, and it's categorized as a visual support. Whiteboards can be used as activity schedules for the day-to-day activities and to provide structure for the activities of the day or for a session, and it helps the client reduce anxiety. And that's the last of it. Thank you.